Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of starting your own business right from home? In this video, I'll share 10 easy and profitable businesses you can start from the comfort of your home, with little to no investment. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to earn extra income, there's something here for you. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. Number 1. Freelance services. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management, you can start offering services online through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Start small, build your portfolio, and once clients trust your work, you can scale to thousands per month. All you need is your skill, internet connection, and consistency. Number 2. Print-on-demand store. This is perfect if you love design but don't want to handle inventory. You can create t-shirt, mug, or phone case designs, and platforms like Printify or Redbubble handle printing and shipping for you. You earn a profit for every sale, completely from home. It's a low-risk way to start an online brand. Number 3. Dropshipping. Create an online store and sell trending products without keeping any stock. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships it directly to them. You just focus on marketing and customer service. That's where the real money is. Number 4. Content writing and blogging. If you enjoy writing, you can earn money by writing blogs, website content, or product descriptions. You can even start your own blog using WordPress, attract visitors with SEO, and monetize it through ads and affiliate links. It takes time to grow, but once it does, it becomes a long-term passive income source. Number 5. Social media management businesses need help managing their online presence. You can offer to run Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook pages for local businesses, schedule posts, and engage with followers. As you gain experience, you can charge hundreds or even thousands per client per month. Number 6. YouTube automation channel. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Create faceless videos using voiceovers, stock footage, and AI tools. Once your channel grows, you can monetize through ads. Niches like finance, tech, and motivation perform really well. Number 7. Digital products. Create and sell digital items like Canva templates, planners, or ebooks. You can use Etsy or Gumroad to sell your products. No shipping, no stock, just pure profit. And once created, they can earn for you forever. Number 8. Homemade food or bakery business. If you love cooking or baking, you can start selling your homemade snacks or desserts in your local area. Promote your business through Instagram or WhatsApp groups. When your food tastes great, word of mouth will grow your customer base fast. Number 9. Online tutoring or coaching. If you're good at a subject or skill, whether it's math, English, art, or fitness, start teaching online. You can use Zoom or Google Meet to coach students or clients from anywhere in the world. Number 10. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products using your unique links and earn a commission for every sale. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Create content around products you trust, and let your links do the earning. And there you have it. 10 easy businesses you can start right now from home. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more business ideas and money-making tips. See you in the next video.